Let's rewind to the early days of the internet, Web 1. It was like a digital library. You could read, but not interact. Remember that screechy dial-up sound? That was your ticket to a world where websites were static and slow to load. You'd visit sites like GeoCities, read some text, maybe see a picture, and that was it. No comments, no sharing, no selfies, just information behind glass. The companies controlled everything. Users were just passive visitors. Pages didn't change unless the owner updated them. It was revolutionary for its time, giving us access to global information from home. But it was a one-way street. No participation, just observation. Web 1 connected information, not people. It was the internet's baby phase, laying the groundwork for what came next. You could look up facts or read the news, but you were just a spectator. No interaction, no community, just you and the screen. It was a static world, but it set the stage for the internet's evolution. And soon, everything was about to change. Then came Web 2, the internet we know today. Suddenly we weren't just reading, we were creating. Platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram let us share photos, videos, and ideas. The internet became a two-way conversation, like comment, share. We all got a voice, but there was a catch. All our content lived on servers owned by big tech companies. They set the rules, controlled the platforms, and used our data for targeted ads. It felt like we owned our profiles, but really, we were just renting space. Our data became the product, traded for free access. Web 2 was built on user-generated content, but controlled by a few corporations. It was fun, but people started asking, is there a better way? Enter Web 3. Web 3 is the next evolution: read, write, and own. It's about users taking back control of their data and digital identities. The magic behind Web 3? Blockchain technology. Imagine a digital notebook shared by thousands. Every change is public, secure, and can't be secretly altered. No single company controls it. It's decentralized. In Web 2, your data sits on a company's server. In Web 3, it's spread across a network. No one can delete your account or shut down the service on a whim. You own your digital assets and decide how your data is used. The pillars of Web 3: user ownership, decentralization, and privacy. You're not the product, you're the owner. Imagine getting paid for your popular posts or creators connecting directly with fans. Web 3 promises a fairer, more open, user-centric internet. It's a shift from corporate control to individual empowerment. That's the revolution everyone's talking about. Let's break it down with your online identity. In Web 1, you were anonymous, just a visitor. Web 2 gave you profiles, but companies owned your digital life. Lose access to your account, and you lose everything. Web 3 changes that with digital wallets, your secure personal passport for the internet. It's not tied to any company, you control what you share. Log in anywhere, prove who you are, and keep your data private. It's like having a universal key that only you control. Recap. Web 1 was a library you couldn't add to. Web 2 was a book club in someone else's house. Web 3 is your own club, where everyone owns their books. It's a shift from renting your digital life to truly owning it. You make the rules, you decide what to share. That's why Web 3 is so exciting. It puts you in charge. The internet is finally becoming yours. So why does Web 3 matter? It's a chance to fix the internet's biggest problems, giving power back to users and creators. Artists and musicians can sell directly to fans, keeping more of their earnings. Your data belongs to you. Companies must ask permission to use it. Web 3 flips the business model from surveillance to consent. It's about privacy, ownership, and fairness. The technology is new and still evolving, but the vision is clear. Web 3 aims for a digital world that's open, equitable, and user-driven. It's a chance to build an internet that works for everyone, not just big corporations. The future is about empowerment and choice. It's a wild ride, and we're just getting started. Thanks for joining the journey.